Let's be honest for a second here. If you are building websites and just hoping that they start to get some traffic, then you are going to be massively disappointed. The thought that you can build it and they will come is really nothing more than a pipe dream, and I'm sure you've experienced that with your own websites. If you want to start seeing your sites rank in the search engines and start getting floods of traffic, then you're going to have to do several different things. You're going to need to find keywords to rank your site for. You're going to have to properly optimize your site for those keywords. You're going to have to start to build backlinks to your content to start getting it rankings in the search engines. You're going to have to make sure your sites load quickly, otherwise they'll be penalized by Google. You're going to have to make sure your site has unique content. You're going to have to be certain that your site displays well on all different screen sizes. And then you're going to have to constantly check and see if your site is listed in all the search engines. And of course, to do all this, you're going to need to buy tools to do all these steps, and that can cost a small fortune. But what if you could do all of these tasks with a single plugin and just a couple of clicks? Well, that's exactly what you can do with my new plugin, WP Rank Express. Basically, this plugin takes SEO and it makes it easy and lets you do it all inside of WordPress. It's your all-in-one solution for increasing your rankings, your traffic, and sales to all of your sites. It provides you with 13 tools to get you higher rankings and more traffic, and you can do it all from right inside your WordPress dashboard. Now, of course, it includes 13 different tools, which you can read about all on this page, but I want to give you a quick walkthrough of a couple of my favorite tools that it includes. So I'm inside my WordPress dashboard and I have the WP Rank Express plugin installed, and you can see all the different tools it gives me access to. Now I want to walk you through a couple of my favorite tools. Now, one of the hardest things about getting traffic and getting rankings is that you need to get backlinks to your site. It's one of the number one ways Google ranks websites. So we have a built-in backlinks generator tool. So if I click on that tool, so with this tool, getting backlinks could not be any easier. So all you need to do is come up here and enter in your website URL. And then you come here and you simply hit generate. And what the tool is going to do is it's going to go out and create you dozens of backlinks on complete autopilot. It takes all of the hard work out of creating backlinks and lets you instantly get a bunch pointed to your site. So that's obviously one of my favorite tools. The next one is, of course, if you want to rank in the search engines, you're going to need to find keywords that you can rank for. So we have a Longtail keyword finder tool. Now, of course, Longtail keywords are easier to rank for because they have less competition. So it's kind of some low-hanging fruit you can initially go after with your site. So all you have to do is enter in your keyword. So let's say I am building a site on fitness trackers. I type in fitness trackers, I hit start searching, and the tool will start finding us hundreds and hundreds of Longtail keywords that we can go after. Now I'm just going to stop this so we can take a look at some of these. So if we come up here, you can see we have fitness trackers, and we have fitness trackers for women, 2019, for kids with GPS that work with Google Fit for swimming, and it goes on and on and on. So you have just a ton of keywords you can start creating content on and easily rank for with your site, because obviously, again, long tail keywords have a lot less competition. So that aspect of getting more traffic to your site is taken care of with the plugin. Another thing you have to have if you want to start ranking in the search engines is unique content. So we have a built-in article rewriter tool. Very simple to use. You just paste in any content you want, hit rewrite, and the tool will actually rewrite that content and make it unique for you. So you don't have to go out and buy expensive tools to do so. It's built right into the WP Rank Express plugin. Another great tool is the on-page SEO checker. Now again, like I mentioned, your site needs to be optimized in order to rank. And what the on-page SEO checker tool, you simply enter in the URL of your site, and it'll give you tips and check your site to see how well it's optimized, and it'll tell you what you need to change. We also have the web page speed test tool to make sure your site is loading fast, and it'll also tell you if it's not loading fast, what updates you need to make to the site to help it load faster. We have the screen resolution simulator tool, so you can make sure your website's displaying properly on all different screen sizes for all different devices. We have the search engine submitter tool, so you can go out and submit your site to the search engines, because of course, if the search engines don't know about your site, they can't be ranked. So all in all, you get 13 SEO tools built right into your WordPress dashboard, saving you hundreds of dollars from having to go out and buy all of these tools individually. So you can simply install the plugin, use the on-page SEO Checker tool to see how optimized your site is, make those changes, create some backlinks with the backlink generator tool, find keywords, make sure your website loads fast, make sure it's loading on all of the proper devices, create an XML sitemap for the search engines, rewrite content to make it unique. All of those aspects are built into one simple and easy to use plugin. So if you've been struggling to get traffic to your affiliate sites, your e-com sites, any site you have, go ahead and grab the WP Rank Express and you can start seeing your own site ranking in the search engines, getting more traffic, and of course making you more sales and commission.